Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your taxes using Cash App. So, Cash App isn't just for sending or receiving money anymore. It's actually a full-service banking and investing app. You can manage your cash balance, savings, Bitcoin, and even invest in stocks. You can also receive your paychecks, use your cash card for spending, and of course, file your taxes directly from inside the app. If you want to learn about any of these other features, now let's get into the taxes part. To start, open your Cash App and scroll down the home screen until you see the Taxes option. You can also tap the search icon at the bottom of your screen and type Taxes. You'll see a section called Cash App Taxes. Tap on that. From here, if you've already started your tax filing, you'll see an option to resume. If you're starting for the first time, you'll see Begin Filing. Tap that to start. It's going to take you step by step through everything. The process is super simple. The first thing you'll do is create a password. This lets you log in from another device in case you want to continue later or switch to a computer. After that, Cash App will ask for your basic info, things like your name, address, and other personal details that are required for your tax forms. If you just have one job or a single source of income, this process will be very easy. If you have multiple income sources or run a small business, it's still easy, but you'll just need to fill in a few more forms. Now, once you've entered your information, at the top of the screen you'll see your tax summary. It'll show whether you're getting a refund or if you owe taxes. For example, in my case, it shows that I owe some federal taxes this year. It depends on your income and your expenses throughout the year. Below that, you'll see several tabs across the screen. The first tab is for your personal information, the next is for your income, and then there's one for deductions and credits. If you have a full-time or part-time job, you'll probably receive a W-2 form from your employer. You can start entering that information right in the income section. If you're self-employed, or do freelance or contract work, you'll get a 1099 form, usually 1099 NEC or 1099 MISC, and you can enter that here too. For people who earn interest from a bank or savings account, you'll have a 1099 INT form. You can fill that in as well. Now, if you're not sure about a certain section, you can always tap on each category, and Cash App will explain what it's for and whether you need to include it. I actually recommend doing that because it helps you learn what each form means. Once you're done entering your income, move to the Expenses and Deductions section. This is where you can add your deductibles, write-offs, and other expenses. For example, if you traveled for work, you can enter how much you spent on travel. That amount will reduce the total taxes you owe. If you had medical expenses, you can enter those too. You can also enter state taxes you already paid or quarterly tax payments if you're self-employed. Now, one of the best tools in this section is the search bar. You'll find it near the top or bottom of the screen. If you have a specific form or category you want to jump to, like deductibles or 1099 INT, just type it in and it will take you directly to that section. Another really handy thing is that you can also do all of this on your computer. Just go to cash.app, taxes, and you'll see the same exact interface. Personally, I find it easier on desktop since I keep all my receipts and spreadsheets there. But it's completely up to you. Both work the same. Once you've filled out everything, your income, deductions, and personal info, tap on Review and File. This step is super useful because Cash App will go through your whole return and check if you missed anything or made any mistakes. It might also show you places where you can save more money by adding deductions you forgot. After that, tap Get Ready to File. You'll now see a summary page showing your federal and state tax results, like how much refund you're getting or how much you owe. If you owe federal taxes, you can pay directly from your bank account, through the IRS website, or set up an installment plan if you prefer. Personally, I like to just pay it directly from my bank to get it over with. Once your federal taxes are taken care of, you'll move on to your state taxes. If you overpaid during the year, you'll be getting a state refund. Here you can choose how to receive that money directly into your Cash App balance, into another bank account, or even get a paper check mailed to you. If you want it fast, I recommend sending it straight to your Cash App. Just tap Confirm Deposit. Cash App will automatically send your state the direct deposit info for your account, and your refund will appear in your Cash App balance once it's processed. Next, you'll see the final overview screen. Here you can read the consent to e-file and then tap Continue. Now, create a 5-digit PIN. This is your digital signature for submitting taxes. It can be any number except all zeros. Then enter today's date and tap E-file now. Once you've e-filed, Cash App will show you your submission status. You'll see both your federal and state tax return progress. They'll be marked as submitted first and then accepted once they're approved. You can always go back to the Cash App home screen, scroll down, and tap 2023 Taxes Filed or whatever year you filed for. That'll open up your filing summary where you can check your refund status or details. And that's pretty much it. Now you just wait. Cash App will notify you as soon as your taxes are accepted or if there's anything else you need to do. So yeah, that's how you file your taxes using Cash App. It's free, simple, and doesn't take much time.